The girl who danced in the rain. In a quiet town where the sun always shined, lived a girl named Mia. She loved to dance. Every morning, she twirled through the fields, her feet light, her heart free. But Mia had a secret. She was afraid of the rain. As a child, she had once slipped on wet ground, bruising her knees and shattering her confidence. Since then, she avoided the rain, watching from her window as others played outside. "What if I fall again?" she whispered to herself. One summer, a famous dance competition was announced in the city. Mia's heart pounded with excitement. This was her dream, but when she read the rules, her hands trembled. The final performance would be outdoors, no matter the weather. "What if it rains?" she asked her mother. Her mother smiled and said, "Then you will learn to dance in the rain." Mia practiced for weeks, her movements perfect under the golden sun. But deep inside, fear lurked like a shadow. The day of the competition arrived. Mia stood backstage, her heart racing. As she stepped onto the stage, dark clouds gathered above. Thunder rumbled. A raindrop kissed her cheek, then another. Soon, the sky poured. Mia froze. The memory of her fall flashed in her mind. The audience gasped, waiting. Then, in the silence, she heard laughter. A little boy danced barefoot in the rain, spinning with joy. He didn't care about falling. He just danced. Mia took a deep breath. "Fear is just a cloud," she told herself. "It will pass." And so, she closed her eyes and moved. One step, then another. Her feet found their rhythm, her body swayed with the rain. The fear melted away, replaced by something beautiful, freedom. When she finished, the crowd erupted in applause. Mia opened her eyes, breathless and soaked, but she was smiling. She didn't win first place that day, but she won something greater. The courage to dance, no matter the storm. And from that day on, whenever it rained, Mia no longer hid. She danced. Lesson: fear will always whisper, "What if you fall? But what if you fly?"